Braid River is a gift to me, and I'm so privileged. I love that I get to look at it every day and work with it. I'm Andrew Broughton. I'm the engineering manager for Central Plains Water. I basically look after the operation and maintenance of the scheme. We irrigate from the Rakaia River to the Waimak River, down to approximately State Highway 1. So we've got 17 kilometres of head race up onto the terrace and about 350 kilometres of pipeline then distributing it from there. One of our philosophies is to look at nature and see if we can adapt what nature does naturally to achieve what we need to achieve. We're on the edge of the Rakaia River at the CPWL's intake, and its job is to let water in at low flow so we can supply everyone and hold back the water as much as possible during a flood. The river, as you see it now, is at its majestic best. It's nice and slow, the water's clear. It's really a series of cycles of freshes, and you get an average of between 10 and 20 freshes in a year. At the peak of the flood, the water is about half a metre down here. It's bank to bank, and it's coming straight at us. When there's a flood that we can no longer cope with, and the water levels are starting to get too high, we're going to lose this infrastructure. And our fuse plug's job is that it blows over the top and back into the river. The first of our side spool weirs, which is the labyrinth weir, its job is to spool any water that we don't use and flood water back into the river. And the intake gate's a series of 4 gates. Its job is to only let enough water in from the river that we need. So it lets through enough for the fish passage and lets through enough for us. It lets the rest spool back over the side spool weirs. The head pond, which holds the water, and the gate controls the water into the head canal, and the head canal takes it up onto the plains. When I look at the dynamics of how the water is moving here, there's nothing in my fibre that makes me believe that we're doing anything that is making the natural environment uncomfortable. We're learning from it. That's really what it's about. One of the first places where we do that is in this fish screen. And what our fish screen really wants to achieve is 2 things. It wants to keep fish out of our canal and allow safe passage for the fish to go back to the river. It's a self-sustaining filter made up of the silts and the top layer of gravel, which never needs to be cleaned out. We won't need to do any work here for 100 years, maybe 150 years. This is sustainable. For me, this is one of the great things that we've done is actually showcase working with nature. We form these big groins out into the river. The river coming past is bringing with it gravel and silt and it's depositing it in the beaches in between here. Once the beaches are formed, then the vegetation naturally comes in and you can plant natives. This is harmony for me.